Welcome to the today's written part, Think and Ink. State one similarity and one difference between archaeological sources and literary sources. What is an archaeological source? It is a source of history which tells about prehistoric plants and animals. What is a literary source? Literary source is in written. So which period it might be? Prehistory or history? Come on, tell. Literary manuscript or inscriptions? Is it prehistory or history? Yes, historical period. It is a difference. And both of them, that means both archaeological source and literary source are sources of history. This is similarity. The difference is archaeological sources give us information about prehistorical plants and animals. Literary sources give information about historical events, that is in written. Similarity, both are sources of history. They tell something about the past events. Okay, children? Now, circle the type of source of history corresponding to each image. What is the first image? Come on, tell children. Something written on the road, on the rock, etched on the rock. Yes, ticket. What is it? It is in written. So what is it? Yes, come on, ticket. Mark it, round it. The next one, it is a leftover building buried in the soil. What is it? Building. Yes. What source it is? Yes, round up. Now see again. Something written on palm leaves. What is it? Monument, inscription, artifact, manuscript. What source it is? Archaeological source or literary source? Good. Listen the lesson and answer. Now a pot is seen. What is it? Monument, inscription, artifact, manuscript. Come on, which source it is? If you listen the lesson carefully, it is very easy for you. Okay, ma? Which of the sources shown in the above picture would not provide information about prehistory? You tell me, children, in literary and archaeological, which will not give you information about prehistory? Yes, literary things, because they are sources of history after the written records. Now, match the description to the term by drawing lines. You read and do it yourself. If your answer is wrong, find the right answer from the textbook. You can, for each and every word, you can go to book and see and find out. Now see this, children. Can you classify historical sources? What are the two sources? Literary and archaeological. Can you compare and contrast? Can you create a report to show how you could create history? You can write a diary, you can inscribe something on a pillar, you may bury some of your vessels in your underground, so you can create a history. You can leave some message to your upcoming generations. What is history? History is the study of listen and write. Why should we study history? We need to study history because already discussed. Right. People who help study history are, I told about 3. You write any 2. Archaeologists help dash. What do they do? Dash help study the sources that are uncovered by archaeologists and analyze them. Uncovered archaeologists lu kuda dorakani vaatini chadivedi evaru. Go and find out. Sources of history. What is the first source? One literary source is given. What is the first source? Write examples. Literary source. Examples. Okay, you can take 2 more days and you can cover and complete all your question and answers in your notebook. With this, I end the lesson.